Today we're going to do lesson 5-4, dividing by multiples of 10. So the first thing we need to do is put our date on our paper, which today is the 13th. So 10/13. So my notebook is going to be on page 4 because I had to redo my notebook. But remember, on your guys' notebook, that's where it's actually in your notebook. Remember, everything I'm writing comes out of your textbook. So we need to put our top up here, which is 5-4. We need to do dividing by multiples of 10. And guys, we've done this before. We just haven't done this with 2-digit divisors. We did this with, last week we did this with 1-digit divisors. Aaliyah, what is my essential question? Go ahead, Jonathan. What are the steps in dividing by a multiple of 10? Are we caught up to this point yet? Do I need to give everybody 30 seconds? So the example that's given to us in the book, this year a group of 249 students are taking a field trip. One bus is needed for every 20 students. How many buses are needed? So what kind of operation are we going to choose for this problem? Division, right? And can somebody tell me what our division sentence will be? Go ahead, Angelina. So right here, we're going to have 249 divided by 20, right? And actually, I need it. Now, first of all, can we estimate this real quick? Yeah, what would we change 249 to, Liliana? 240? Well, I think 240 is easier. So if we were going to do 24 divided by 2, what would that give us? Go ahead, Liliana. 12. And then we just have, actually, no, we take care of it right there. So now we estimated 12, but we actually need to divide this using the standard algorithm. So we need to do 249 divided by 20. Does 20 go into 2? No, right? Put my X. Does 20 go into 24? How many times? Once. 1 times 20 is 20. Subtract 20 from 24, that gives us 4. Does 20 go into 4? No. Does 20 go into 49? How many times? 2 times, right? 20 times 2 is 40. The difference between 49 and 40 is what? 9. So what is my remainder? So my estimate wasn't too far off. Do we need to do another practice, or would you guys just like to do some work on your own and then we'll go over them? What do you got? You want another? What do you want, Liliana? Okay. So let's do number 1 then for guided practice. So let me. So number 1 is 30. I'm sorry. 345 divided by 30. Now, could we estimate this as 330 divided by 30? And what would that give us? Go ahead, Nick. 11, right? So now let's try this. 30 go into 3? No, right? Does 30 go into 34? How many times? 1 times 30? 30. What is the difference between 34 and 30? Bring down the 5. Oh, I didn't do that right up here, guys. Does 30 go into 45? Yes, right? 1 time. 1 times 30 is 30. What is the difference again, guys, between 45 and 30? 15, right? So what is our final answer? 11 with a remainder of 15. Don't leave it down here. If you just leave it down here but you don't write a remainder, you got the question wrong when you did all the work right. Okay? So what I'm going to assign to you guys is 2 through 6. Or actually, no. Let's do 2 through 8. And let's just do the even ones. How's that sound?